Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. Before we get into it, let's give this video a thumbs up. If you're new around here, you already know what to do. So CPI inflation rate has fallen, guys, and the Dow Jones has started to pick back up and start to rise. So U.S. stocks is very choppy this morning. Trade after CPI shows inflation shows less than expected. So the CPI inflation rate has dropped, but it shows less than expected because analysts expected it to fall a bit lower than what it have fallen. It fell from around 8.5% to around 8.3%, but that drop wasn't big enough, guys, and in that way it didn't beat analysts' expectations, which nobody care about their expectations. It came down, guys. So obviously inflation, reached its peak. That don't mean it reached its peak and it can't go back up, guys. But I'm saying if it, went up in April to 8.5% and then we came down to 8.3, it's letting us know that we still ain't through the roof. We is coming down some, which is a good sign, guys. Not saying this is the best sign. Oh, it's time to do whatever I want to do because the market is just about to go crazy from here. Not saying that at all, guys. But you guys know I've been, thinking the market can turn around and run up and turn up crazy throughout all the madness that's going on, guys. Like I told you guys before, regardless of, they would want to act as if they eased the situation or came out with some data and numbers to help the market get back into a bullish uptrend before it do. That's what they definitely want to do. Just like the Feds caused the market to tank and come down, guys. I told you guys they would want to be the reason that it go back up as well. They don't want it to run up on its own. They want to make sure they come out with the news and they put the narration on it for it to return and go back up. So little data like this can most definitely be, the narrative of when the stock market starts to go crazy, guys. They would say, well, CPI inflation rate came down some and that sent the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 skyrocketing. Even though it didn't come down to expectations, it still came down. So investors was intrigued and they hopped in the market, which investors are already in the market. You know how they like to do, guys. You all right, just pay attention to it. So anyways, guys, the Dow Jones rose 263 points or 0.8%. The S&P 500 was up 34 points or 0.9%. The NASDAQ ticked up 68 points or 0.6%. So, guys, we know, it's going to get crazy out here. It's going to get crazy out here. A lot of people have done folded, done sold a lot of their positions, and everybody got their own perspective. It all depends. But, if you checking out and got scared of a quality company that you was in just because of how much it was falling, I don't know, it could have been you ain't have enough capital to double down on that position and add more shares, or it could have been you needed the money. You never know. But I know they definitely tricked out a lot of retail investors with this crash, guys. And I told you guys that's exactly who they was hawking on. And Tesla was one of the specific securities that they was definitely going to aim for as well. We know Tesla blew expectations out of the water, out of the park, and Tesla was trading at around $1,000 barrier. I seen some people saying, oh, Tesla ain't going up under 1,000, it's about to run from here. Even with all the great news, I still let you guys know Tesla is about to drop significantly. I told you guys it was about to drop to around $787 per share. That's, well over $200 a share from where it was at. And that's exactly what it did. And, I prepared you guys for that. I told you guys a lot of people, a lot of retail investors was, in Tesla. So they definitely want to, try and get Tesla and bring that down a bit. So you already know, guys, the market is looking as if it's ready to make this reversal. Everything is at a crazy, crazy discount. You got hundreds of companies down over 40%. You got, 10, 20, 30 companies down over 70, 80% from their highs. So it's so many opportunities in the market right now that it is just mind blowing. People just need more capital to be able to capitalize off all this opportunity. You already know, guys, this is all I got for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick update on what's going on in the markets. I love you. You already know what to do. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love you. We out and God bless you. We gone.